How to turn webinars into a profitable venture. In this tutorial, we are going to show how to turn your webinar into something that is actually making you money, and in some cases, quite a lot of money. There are lots of people out there that are making a good living solely from their webinars, and you can be one of them. Here are the steps to profitability. 1. Dominate a niche. If you want people to value your opinion on something, you need to make yourself an expert. When your name is all over a niche, from books to blogs to sales pages, people value your advice enough to pay for it. Make sure that when they research a niche, they see your websites or your name associated with it. 2. Provide good content. Obviously, people aren't going to pay for advice or information that they can get elsewhere. Make sure that what you are providing is really good stuff and is something unique that no one else is providing. Even if all you are doing is presenting good information in a unique way, you will be providing a service worth paying for. 3. Provide good quality. No one is going to pay for a pixelated webinar with lots of bad audio, technical problems, and other poor quality indicators. Make sure that you are using good equipment and that your webinars are something you would personally pay for. This means HD video, a fast computer and internet connection, and a high-quality microphone. 4. Get the word out. You can rely on the law of percentages for everything, and that includes paying for webinar content. The more people that hear about your webinar, the better the chances are that you are going to get people to buy tickets and attend. Make sure that you are spreading the word by advertising, using social media, and posting on your blog or website. 5. Decide how to monetize. Charging admission for your webinar is not the only way to make money from your presentation. You can sell just about anything with a webinar, and the advantage of doing it this way is that you will increase your attendance over 1,000%, and you could even make more money depending on what you are selling and how much you are charging for it. If you have a good service that people are willing to pay a monthly fee for, you could build up an excellent income.